Aluminum, lightweight, strong, and incredibly versatile. It's one of the most popular materials in CNC machining, and for good reason. In this video, we'll show you why engineers and buyers rely on aluminum and how precision 5-axis machining brings out its full potential. Aluminum is easy to machine, cost-effective, and delivers outstanding dimensional stability. It resists corrosion, conducts heat well, and provides a smooth surface finish, even with high-speed milling. That's why it's used everywhere, from automotive components to electronic housings and industrial tooling. The three most common aluminum grades are 6061, 7075, and 5052. 6061 is your go-to for general-purpose parts. It's affordable and easy to work with. 7075 is stronger, often used in aerospace and high-performance components where weight and rigidity matter. And 5052 stands out for its flexibility and corrosion resistance, perfect for sheet or marine applications. With the right tooling and setup, aluminum cuts beautifully. Sharp carbide end mills, clean chip evacuation, and rigid fixturing make all the difference. Adaptive toolpaths help reduce cycle time while keeping surfaces smooth and consistent. And when it's done, anodizing, bead blasting, or powder coating can take the finish to the next level. At Yijin Hardware, we use advanced 5-axis CNC machines to achieve micron-level precision. Every part is inspected with CMMs and precision gauges to ensure tolerances are met, because quality isn't negotiable. Whether prototyping a new design or scaling up production, aluminum delivers the perfect balance of strength, weight, and precision. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on CNC and precision machining.